Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Qashqai. In this video I'll show you HUD calibration tutorial. The 10.8-inch HUD is massive, but if it's not set up right, it's just distraction. Let's calibrate it. Let's start with the turning it on or off. Take a look behind steering wheel. Right here we've got this button. Press it to turn HUD on or off. Next, take a look at the instrument cluster display and go to Settings. Here, find HUD Display. Thanks to this menu, you can increase brightness level of HUD, you can change height, rotation, and adjust content. Take a look at the HUD. You can see it right here. As you can see, the HUD is visible right in front of your eyes. To make it not distracted, let's adjust its height to be a little bit lower, but until we can still see it. HUD in this car is very bright. So let's lower the brightness level. And in case you've got problems with visibility of the corners, you can still adjust the rotation. Make sure that the HUD is right behind the steering wheel. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.